Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Yes, today we're doing an upcycle of some skulls that I bought from the range here in the UK. I think they were £5.99 for the bag of skulls. I think there was about 10 in there altogether. So to start off with the first few, what I did was I went over with some paint. These are little tester pots that I also got from the range, just to take out all the dark spots really, so that the decoupage would go over better. I made sure that dried with the air dryer. Yeah, please comment how many times I actually dropped these skulls. It was unbelievable how many times I actually dropped them. And yeah, this is a previous video I did, so go back and watch that, how I did the skull. So I'm just using some napkins that I also got from the range, and I'm going to decoupage those onto the skull using some Mod Podge. So I basically just add the Mod Podge to the skull, and then I lay the napkin down, press it down, and then I go over it with some more Mod Podge just to smooth it all out as best I can. So don't be afraid to tear the napkin off where you don't want it. You can always, if you pounce down hard enough with the brush, it'll just automatically tear off, and that gives you a better shape, especially around the eyes of the skull. So here I'm using a rotary cutter to cut the actual napkins. You can actually just either use scissors, or you can even tear them, which sometimes gives you a better effect. And here we go again. So once I've got the napkin where I want it, I go over with the heat gun just to dry it off. You could use a hairdryer or even just let it dry overnight. So once I'd got them all done, I decided that I wanted the actual skulls with the dark skull napkin on. I wanted them to be a black skull with white eyes, not like the white skull with the dark eyes, if you get what I mean. I understand what I mean. So I decided to use some acrylic paint and just paint over the actual faces of the skulls. Now, hindsight is a wonderful thing, so I keep saying. I should have let these dry a little bit more, because when I came to highlight the teeth and the eyes and things, as I was wiping off the white, Some of the black came off as well. You'll see further up now. Now, I don't know whether they look good or it looks bad. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think. I should also point out that the skulls that are remaining white, that was the shadow print on the napkin on the second ply of it. So I thought it was really cool because it was like a grey skull. So I used that as well to decoupage some other skulls. So here I'm just going over with some white acrylic paint and some water just to try and bring out the highlights of the teeth and the eyes. And it's now, as I start wiping, I bring off some of the dark paint as well, some of the black paint, as you can see. And I don't know whether it improves it or not. So I wanted these shiny because I'm thinking that they can be used on a table for decoration, or they could be used, you could hang them up on a tree if you've got a Halloween tree. So I wanted them to be a little bit more shiny, so I added some varnish. So when I was drying these and I kept looking at them and I kept thinking, there's not enough highlight in the eyes and the teeth for me. So in my wisdom, I went back in and I dry brushed. There we go again. I dry brushed some white acrylic paint on. And again, I don't know whether that was the right thing to do. Let me know in the comments what you think. So what do you think, guys? Let me know what you think of these. I know you would use them as a decoration. Yeah, and please do leave me a like and a comment, or both. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, everyone. It's much appreciated. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.